Hi guys, how are you today? Today we are going to start our new lesson about Euclidean division. In this lesson, we will identify the terms of dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Let's start with each other to understand about what I'm talking. When writing it like this, I have the following numbers: 36 divide 5. 36 divide 5. Can I solve it mentally? That means, is there any number multiplied by 5 give 36? In order to know, you should know the multiplication table 5. So start. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 15. We have then 20, 30, 36. 30, 35, 40. So there is no number multiplied by 5 give 36. There is number multiplied by 5 either give 34 or 40, right? So how can I solve like this division? First step is what? You should draw first like this one. You draw operation like this one. This one is related to the division. Okay, so I draw it. Clear? It's easy. Just do a line like this, then move down, then to the left. Okay, clear? Okay. You put the first number. The first number we said before that, the first number, it's called the dividend. That means the number that I'm gonna to divide it. That means the number that I'm going to divide. For example, the bar of chocolate. I have 36 bar of chocolate. Okay, I want to divide this 36 bar of chocolate among my 5 friends. So the number of chocolate, the first number, it's called the dividend. Always before the division. The sign of division. Okay, so the first number is what? It's the dividend. We put the first number here. So I put the first number here, again 36 here. Okay, so I put the 36 here. Suppose this is a share, 36 is set under the share. What about 5? 5 is the number of my friend that I want to give them the 36 bar of chocolate, right? 5, it's called the divisor. It's called the divisor, the number that I will give them the thing that I want to divide it. So I put the divisor here under the second share. This is the first share, this is the second share. So we put the 5 here. Clear? Okay. Now what will happen? I put the divisor here and the dividend. So 5 is what? It's the divisor moves to here, and 36 is what? It's the dividend. So clear? This is the dividend and this is the divisor. I put the dividend here and the divisor here. So the dividend is the number of things that I want to divide it, and the divisor is the number of people or things that I want to give them what I divided. Clear? Now how can I solve it? 36 divided by 5. The first step is what? You will search about a number, or you will find a number, multiply by 5, you multiply it by 5, give a number less than 36, directly less than 36, because we have a lot of number less than 36, but we want the nearest one less than 36. So we go to multiplication table 5. I can do it like that. If you have a problem, you can do it like that. You start 5 times 1. You put here 5 times 1, you write 5. Then 5 times 2, you put 10. Then 5 times 3, you put what? 15. Then 5 times 4 equal 20. After 20, 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7, 35. And 5 times 4, 40. So I stop at 35 because 40 will become more than 36. So which number is less than 36 directly? It's what? 35. 35. So I find a number less than 36 and multiple of 5. So I write here 35 under the 36, ones under the ones and tens under the tens. Now 5 times what give 35? 5 times 7. So I put here times 7. Then what should I do after this? We subtract the number. 6 minus 5, 1, and 3 minus 3, 0. Why I subtracted? To get the remainder. How many bar of chocolate I still have? So I will give my 5 friends each one 7 bar of chocolate. 7 bar of chocolate. So 7 here in the above share, it's called what? 7, it's called the quotient. It's called what? The quotient. The result of dividing 36 by 5. And this one, the one, number 1, it's the remaining. What remained from the bar of chocolate. In another way, we can say I have 36 bar of chocolate. I gave my 5 friends, each one of them 7. 7 among the 5 friends, it's equal to 35. So I still have 1 bar of chocolate. It's called the remainder. So this is the dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. It's clear? So 36 divided by 5 equals 7 with remaining 1. 36 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor, the result is the quotient, and 1 is the remainder. So again, here I have 36, the first number we put it under here, the divisor here. I find a number nearest to 36 because there is no number multiplied by 5 give 36. I write it down, then 5 times what give this number? It's 7, the remainder. Clear? Now there is a writing in division, it's called the Euclidean writing. That in another way, I want to write this operation. So what's the Euclidean writing? 36 is what? 36 is 5 times 7. 5 times 7, 35. How many numbers I need to become 36? So 35 plus 1, it's 36. The Euclidean writing is what? It's an equation. We write it in this form. Dividend equal divisor times quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal divisor times quotient plus remainder. It's called the Euclidean writing. Euclidean writing. How I write it? From the following operation. We write dividend 36 equal divisor 5 times quotient 7 plus what? Plus 1, which is the remainder. So it's clear? Okay, let's continue now. Let's start solving exercise number 1. In exercise number 1 here, think of the highest number possible that completes the operations below. Here you should think about a number less than 37 and multiple of 5. Why multiple of 5? Because we have 5 times what? Yeah, and here I'm asking 5 times what give 37 number less than 37, less than 37 directly. So in multiplication table 5, what I have? 5 times 1, 2, 3, and we continue. We have 5 times 7, 35, 5 times 8, 40. Which number is less than 37? For sure 35. So I write here 5 times 7. Now I have 32. What the number multiple of, in another way, 6 times what gives 32? No number. Nearest to it but smaller, it's 6 times 5, 30. Now 4 times what gives 39? No number. Nearest to it but smaller, we have 30. Oh, sorry, here. Less than 74. 9 times what gives 74? It's 72. 7 times 8. What the number multiple of 9? 9 times what give number less than 47? It's 45. 9 times 5. The same here. 4 times what give 39? No number. Nearest to it but smaller. 4. We have 36. So 4 times 8. 4 times 9, sorry. Less than 29, we have 28, 4 times 7, excellent. The same here. Less than 28, 24, 6 times 4. less than 37. 4 times what? 4 times, we have 36. Excellent. 4 times 9. So it's easy, this one. Now question number 2. Fill in the table below. Look here, we have dividend equal. You know that, dividend equal. Divisor, the rule is what? Divisor times quotient plus remainder. And here what should I do, teacher? We have 37, right? First of all, you multiply the divisor with the quotient. 5 times 7, 35. 35 plus 2 gives 37. So here the same you should do. You start 9 times 8, 72. 72 plus what gives 74? We start 72, 73, 74. So plus 2. The same here. 4 times 9, 36. 36 plus what gives 39? 36 plus 3. 6 times 4 equal how many? 24. 24 plus what gives 28? Plus 4. The same here. 6 times 5, 30. 30 plus what gives 32? Plus 2. Excellent. We continue. 9 times 5, 45. Plus what gives 47? Plus 2. 4 times 7, 28. Plus what gives 29? Plus 1. 4 times 9, 36 plus 1 equal 37. So it's easy. Now we have a question number 5. Work out the following division using the Euclidean method. And you want to solve the division, then write the Euclidean writing. Let's start here. How should I solve? We start 8 times what gives 42? 8, no number nearest to it but smaller than it. We have 8 times 5 equal 40. So I put here 8 times 5, 40. After that, what should I do? We subtract now. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Since 2 less than the divisor, look, the remainder should be less than the divisor. If the remainder is not less than the divisor, so our work is wrong. So the remainder should be less than the divisor. So here I have 2 less than 8. So I can, in this case, write the Euclidean writing. So 42 equal what? It's the divisor times the quotient. It means 8 times 5 plus the remainder 2. So I write here 2. Let's do this one with each other. 9 times what gives 74? 9 times 8. Excellent. 72 less than 74. So I write here 72. Now we subtract. 4 minus 2, 2 and 0. Remainder is 2 less than 9, which is the divisor, so our work is correct. The Euclidean writing is what? 74 equal 9 times 8 plus 2. You can check it. 9 times 8 equals 72. Plus 2 equals 74, so it's correct. Let's do this one, the last one. 7 times what gives 51? No number nearest it, but it's smaller than, we have 49. So I write here 7 times 7, 49. 1 minus 9, 9 I can't, so we need to borrow from 5. 5 will be 4 and 1 11. So now we subtract 11 minus 9 equal 2 and 0. 2 less than 7 and you write the Euclidean writing. So it's clear. Now I want from you to continue this solving alone, and we will continue tomorrow the lesson. Thanks for your listening.